Helen's Corner. Have you ever been to Nnewi before? If no, this is Nnewi. Okay, we are driving today from Nnewi town down to Ukpor Nnewi South, which is where I hail from. Welcome back again to my channel. Is your girl Helen Konko as usual. You guys know that Nnewi has the highest per capita income. Everywhere in Nnewi, a typical Nnewi man must hustle to at least feed or eat. He must hustle, and when he makes it, he has a way of making sure to bring his brothers or sisters into what he's doing so that they can also make it through that. That is why poverty is not really that high in Nnewi. Aside from that, do you know that the late Odumegwu Ojukwu Ikemba, one of Africa, hails from Nnewi? Do you know that Innocent is from Nnewi? Okay, if there are other people you know that hail from Nnewi that I've not mentioned, please drop it in the comment section. Okay, all right guys, just continue watching. Let's enjoy the video. Okay. If you're still watching till now, I really hope you're enjoying what you're seeing. And if you do, please click the like button for me, okay? And don't forget to share this video at the end of the view. All right, let's continue. So we had to stop over to buy water and things we'll need at home, just not far away from here, and then we continued the journey. At least we are home now. You guys know I love anything that is slopey, so we are heading to another slope. There is a river at the end of this road. There is a river, and this place is quite slopey, and the road is also snaky too. And beside being snaky, you can see that we are not even seeing our front on this road, so it's a little bit dangerous too. You have to drive on your lane, and you also have to horn seriously so that you will not have any problem with another person ahead, or you go and bash someone's car by mistakenly. Now this is a very interesting slope, guys. And the road is snaky too. All right. People wash car at this very junction. Cars, bike. In fact, it is part of the reason why the road is like this too. At this very point, that's where the water is too. So possibly during rain too, the water usually overflow its bank and gets to that place. So maybe that's why that place is like that. It's a nice spot. Hey guys, I'm just waking up from sleep. I look so tired, sound so tired too. All right guys, if you're new to my channel and you still not subscribed to this wonderful channel, what are you waiting for? Please click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell beside it, so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Let's get it. It is actually that water that divided Nnewi North from Ukpor Nnewi South, and this is Ukpor Nnewi South, and this is the headquarters of Nnewi South. We are heading to Afo. That Afo is where the market is called Afo. Like the 4 Igbo market is Ukpor, Eke, Orie, and Afo. But that particular one is Afo market. So any Afo day, you can buy anything in the Afo market. And then there is a bank there. There are lots of things you can do at Afo markets. You just go there, do whatever you want to do, and go home. So we are heading to Afo. Afo. All right, guys, let's get it. Da-da-dan, da-dan, da-dan, dan. This is our four. Where that roundabout is. Okay, we had to stop and at least get a little money that we are going to use to buy something at this junction. All right, guys. We went to bank. Come on. Yeah. Let's do it now. So we are right now at Ukpor, and this is where I'm going to end this vlogs. Our house is somewhere around here. All right, guys, I really hope you enjoyed watching. This is St. Mary's Catholic Church, Ukpor. All right, bye.